Have you guys copied down our warm-up problem? I know that's a little bit different, but writing it down in your math notebooks.
Ashley Burr isn't a full-time teacher yet, but you'd never know it to watch her with these fourth graders at John Harris Elementary.
So I want you to answer each of the 6 questions.
She's in her senior year at the University of South Dakota and is part of a new class of future teachers who will educate using project-based learning.
Making it relate to them daily and, building on like a simple concept to make it more complex is project-based learning.
All USD students are learning the project-based model, and the school has revamped its curriculum to follow. Now, all teachers coming out of USD will teach project-based learning to all students, kindergarten through 12th grade.
So they're asking us, how many fewer fruit plants than vegetable plants are there?
The idea is simple. Instead of having students read from a book and memorize the answers, teachers come up with ways to make the work relevant to students. Take these story problems in math, for example. Burr is not asking students to find the answer. She's asking them to identify the variables and then write a formula that could help them solve the problem.
I was looking for the thinking process in what they were doing and having them, set up the situation and work together and, use their brain power to come up with the answer. So let's do that. Let's do 63 minus 54, and Max told us it was 9. So we have 9 fruit plants.
Students use critical thinking skills and are allowed to collaborate with other students and use technology. Burr says project-based learning is also interdisciplinary, meaning these math problems aren't just about math.
We bring in the reading with the mathematics and hope that they can put the two together and solve for an answer.
But the projects can also become pretty involved. Take a look at a recent project that the students finished where they learned about the United States.
They studied the states, grouped them by region, learned the capitals, and researched industry and landmarks.
Then we went to the computer lab and we printed off pictures from each section.
Fourth grader Lizzie Woods likes this new way of learning, and using projects helps her expand her studies.
They can teach you more than maybe what you know. Like if you don't know what a person is, maybe you can learn what state they came from.
Experts say the beauty of the project-based model is that it reaches students at all levels, which has always been a challenge for teachers. Students who are more advanced than others can take their projects as far as they want to, and those who are struggling get the time they need to work through their difficulties.
All different learning styles, reaching out to all different students with different needs and different learning abilities.
Burr says project-based learning is the wave of the future, and she's excited to see how it'll impact learning for years to come.
I think that the students are really going to benefit from it, and future teachers are learning the best way to teach our students.
With Eye on Kelloland, I'm Katie Jensen.
It warmed up 10 degrees.